Welcome, dear students. Welcome to maths class. We are discussing integer lesson. In an integer lesson, we discuss the 3.1.3 exercise, is it? And I will give some problems to solve in your home. Yes, once you recheck your answers, your answer is right or wrong. Once you recheck, we are discussing 1.3 exercise in integer lesson. See, the exercise is 1.3. So I think some of them only solved the problem and remaining or not solved it. So what is your problem? I can't understand. Tell me your problem. So why you are not solving the problem? Find each of the following product. So here some problems are there. So here also I will tell you in the previous class here 10 problems are there. You must and should check it ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. So in 40 members of 7th standard only solve few of them. So the countable members only solving the problem. So why the remaining are not solving the problems? Tell me your doubts. Okay, and solve today also. I'll give some hints to solve about this, and who are already solved, so you check your answers once again. Okay, so here 3 into minus 1, this type problem I'll already solve in previous class. So I will write the problem. Find the product in 1.3 exercise. Find the product of the following. So the word product is not a newest concept, so you already know it. So we find the product of natural numbers, but in specially we find the product of integers. Especially we find the product of integer in this lesson. So we find out the product of integers. Look at here, 3 into minus 1. The problem A, B, C, D up to J problems are there. So look at the problem and I'll tell you. In maths, first you observe the problem and understand the problem very neatly, clearly, accurately. Okay. So 3 into minus 1. This is a simple multiplication you observe. So why they were giving a simple multiplication? Because so here negative in numbers are there. So why they are giving a simple multiplication antandre, in integer lesson the sign is very important. Okay, 3 into minus 7, first you multiply the number. So you are convenient first sign multiplication adru ಮಾಡಿ. So illa means we first find out the product and after we multiply the sign andre, that is yours choice. Okay, I will give the box for each one also. So first I will multiply the numbers and after next we'll multiply the sign. Okay, 3 into 1, 3 ones are 3, I will write. Okay, so here in front of the sign is plus into minus is minus 3. The first one answer is minus 3. Check your answer and you simply see the second one, minus 1 into 225. And you know the properties, basic properties of multiplication. We multiplied any number into 1 is does not change the value. But you asked me a question, ma'am, here minus 1 is there. So in such a situations we are doing what? You simply multiply it. 225 into 1. Yes, 225 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So here I am writing the answer 225 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So here minus 1 is there means, so we multiply the minus sign also. Yes, multiplied it. Minus, here one negative integer and here one positive integer. Minus into plus is what? Yes, minus into plus is minus, plus into minus is minus. The answer is minus 225. You simply write 225, it should be wrong. So in case in the negative numbers you should carefully to multiply because the sign is very important. You simply write it is 225 and it should be wrong. We are not giving any marks for this answer. So okay, and I will more stress about the sign, especially this is very important, dear students. So note down this is minus 225. So next one problem you see here, minus 21 into 30. So here, so these two problems we first multiply the number and after next we multiply the sign. So ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೈನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಐಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್. So what the product we are got it, so that product is always positive because minus into minus. First we multiply the signs or you multiply the numbers, your choice, I will tell you once again. So minus into minus is plus, then you will take to multiply it to 21 into 30, 0 0, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. I think this is plus 630. The answer is plus 630. We simply write this is 630 ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಫಾರ್ ಯುವರ್ ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸ್, ನಾವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಸೈನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಲಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ಸಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಐ ಆಮ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಯು ಸಿ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಡಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ನ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಡಿ ಈಸ್, yes, the problem D is 316 into 1. So we not read this problem as 316 into 1 ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳೋ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. So we read the problem minus 316 into minus 1. So observe this problem. So where the negative sign is come, so they are writing the bracket. That should be compulsorily. So the negative integer we represented minus sign, and we simply in the simplification in the problem ways we simply put the brackets for the negative sign, because so the negative sign multiplication is very important. We just leave it, we just think about this is a 316, so that's why negative numbers ಗೆ bracket ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Yes, minus into minus is plus, 316 into 1 is 316, not 61. 316, you write your number accurately, 316. So here you write plus ಅಂತ ಬರೆದ್ರೂ ಬರಿಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಇನ್ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೈನ್, ಇನ್ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಅಂದರೆ, so here plus sign is there, that should be indication. Okay, this is plus 316. And look at the next problem. The problem is very difficult. It is difficult. Minus 15 into 0 into 18 is what? Is it difficult? The final answer is 0. We can multiply any number, ಅದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, we should multiply it with 0. 0 into 15 is 0. So 0 into 18 is 0. That's all we write 0. So means 0 into negative number also 0. Yes, 0 into any number you will take, that product is 0. You should remember. That should be applicable for ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಝೀರೋನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಝೀರೋ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಎನಿ ನಂಬರ್, ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಝೀರೋ, ದ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಝೀರೋ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ದ ಎಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. minus 12 into minus 11 into 10 ಇದೆ. So how can you solve this problem? Minus 12 into minus 11 into 10. Are you observe? Yes, first we should multiply 12 into 11 or 11 into 10. Which one? Yes, we multiplied. First ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು multiply ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Minus into minus is, yes, minus into minus is plus. Minus into minus is plus ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. And we multiply the numbers first. 12 into 11 ಅನ್ನು multiply ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. 1 2s are 2, 1 1s are 1. Again also 1 1s are 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. And here 1 is there, 132 ಆಯಿತು. Here how much is there? 132 ಆಯಿತು. So we are not completed problem. So the another one number is there. What is that? 10. Should know any number is multiplied with 10, we directly write the product. Now direct agi product na baribodu. So how can you write the product directly? Yes, we write 132 into 10 is 1320. The answer is 1320 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So can you take 1320? So simply look at this. So we are multiplied, minus into minus is plus 132 ಆಯಿತು. ಇಂಟು 10 ಜೊತೆ ನಾವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1320. and here this is positive number, this is plus 1320 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, shall we go the next problem? G problem ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. The problem is 9 into minus 3 into minus 6 ಇದೆ. here brackets ಇದೆ. So how can you write to solve this problem? 9 into minus 3, we have to solve this. ಇಲ್ಲಿ plus into minus is minus. 9 3s are, yes, I know you are all forget the table. 9 3s are 27. Plus into minus is minus, into minus 6 is also there. Okay, so then 27 into 6 we multiply. 6 7s are 42. 4 will taken as a carry. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. Okay, 12 plus 4 is how much? That is 62. And one thing you forgot, what? And minus into minus is plus. The answer is plus 162. The answer is plus 162. And we are going to discuss the next one problem. You can understand very easily. So the same way of solving it, same way alle ನಾವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So we'll take minus 18 into minus 5, put the bracket, into minus 4 ಇದೆ. So here 3 also integer, but 3 also negative integer. 3 numbers also negative integer. Okay, simplified it. Minus into minus is plus 18 5s are. 18 5s are how much? Yes, 18 5s are is, I know you are all forget the table. Even you cannot tell me the tables up to 20 ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಪ್ ಟು 9 10 ಕೂಡ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ನನಗೆ. ಎಸ್, 18 5s are 90. ಸೊ ಇಂಟು minus 4 ಹಾಗೆ ಇದೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್? ಯು ನೋ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ minus into minus is plus. 18 5s are 90 into minus 4 ಹಾಗೆ ಇದೆ. So again we multiply the first sign. Plus into minus is minus. Multiply this into 90. 4 zeros are 0. 4 9s are 36. The answer is minus 360. So our problem is here minus 360. And observe the next problem, minus 1. The problem is very beautiful. See here, minus 1 into minus 2 into minus 3 into 4 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. Look at the problem. This problem is very very simple. minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 4. 3 negative integer ಇದೆ and 1 is positive integer ಇದೆ. First we multiply the negative integer. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇಯರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 2s are 2 ಇಂಟು minus 3 ಇದೆ ಇಂಟು 4 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಈಸ್ minus 2 3s are 6 into 4 ಇದೆ. Then 6 4s are 24. Minus into minus. Minus into plus is minus. The answer is minus 24. Here the answer is minus 24. Okay. Minus should be compulsorily right. So the remaining last one problem is there. Minus 3 into minus 6 into minus 2 into minus 1. So okay, this is the last problem of the first main exercise. So multiplied it, minus into minus is plus. 3 6 are 18 into minus into minus is plus. 2 1s are 2. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಇಯರ್ ಇದು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಇರೋ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಸೈನ್ ಹಾಗೇ ಇದೆ. 18 2s are, yes, 18 2s are 36. The answer is 30. Yes, the answer also 36. You write the answer is also 36. And observe this, that is plus 36. Remember, that is plus 36. And you one thing you observe, all these problems are working only for the sign multiplication. ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು ಅಂದರೆ, this is only for the sign multiplication. You practice the sign multiplication. That purpose the problems are doing like this. So you understand very easily for this main, I think. So we are completing this exercise. So I will go some fast. We are going to discuss the second main. Verify the following. So verify ಮಾಡಿ. So verify the following ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು, ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಇಯರ್ ನೋಡಿ, the problem is this type, and here these two brackets middle they were giving a equal sign. Verify ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, so yes, exactly. So you check both LHS and RHS are equal. Left hand side and right hand side are must be equal. You check it ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇವೆರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ನೀವು ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟು ವೆರಿಫೈ ದಿಸ್. ಎಸ್, ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ, ಶುಡ್ ವೆರಿಫೈ ದಿಸ್. ನೋಡಿ, 18 into 7 plus of minus 3 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಯರ್ ಒನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್. ಸೊ ಆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರೋವಂಥ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ಸ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಓಪನ್ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಎಸ್, ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, 18 into ಓಕೆ 7 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 3. ಸೊ ಇಯರ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಇಟ್. 7 ಇದೆ, ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 3. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ನ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. 18 ಇಂಟು ಇಯರ್ 7 ಮೈನಸ್ 3. ಸೊ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈಡ್ ಇಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಪ್ಲಸ್ನ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್. ಸೊ ದ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್, ಎಸ್, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಂಟು ಸೈನ್. ದ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಸೈನ್. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 3. 7 ಮೈನಸ್ 3, 7ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3ನ ಕಳೆದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಇಯರ್ 4 ಉಳಿತು. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. 18 into 7 plus of minus 3 ಇದೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಯು ಸಿ ಇಯರ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿರೋಣ. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಇಯರ್. ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಓಪನ್ ಅಪ್ ದಿಸ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. 18 7s are, 18 7s are how much? Yes, 18 7s are 162. How much? 162. 18 7s is 18 7s is, yes, is it correct? I know some of them were not knowing the proper tables also. 18 7s are 126. Okay, so we just multiply and write the product properly. So here 18 into minus 3 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ 18 3s are how much? 18 3s, yes, 18 3s are 54. 4. Not only a 54, what I am right, plus into minus, minus is minus, plus into minus is minus 126 plus of minus 54 ಆಯಿತು. So here 126, again plus into minus is minus 54 here. So and here we are compare, this is a left hand side simplification and this is a right hand side simplification. 18 fours are how much you write? 18 fours are, yes, simply you write it. 18 fours are 72 and here also you simplified it. 126 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು 54ನ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ here also 72. We just verified it, both left hand side and right hand side are equal. Okay, this is a way of solving the problem. Okay, so this can be verified it, both left hand side and right hand side are equal anta. So you should be solve the remaining one problem, B problem. See here, minus 21 into minus of minus 4. This is a very simple, you just open up the bracket and simply you multiply the negative sign. ಸೊ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ ಜೊತೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ ಜೊತೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ ಇದ್ದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಯು ಟ್ರೈ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ without reference of any class work and any answer. So check about all the answers once again. Okay, so work hard and work about all the problem once. Okay, check once again your, take a sheet of paper and pen to solve about this problem once. So you also verified it, both left hand side and right hand side are equal. Okay, verify it and try the B problem to verify both left hand side and right hand sides are equal. Okay, work out all this problem. Okay, bye.